I'm Jemma of Create Studio. Welcome to the Create Studio channel. Let's do some creating together this afternoon with a really easy project, making a cork heart like this. Cork is a material we're focusing on all month long. We're taking a look at how it's made, what it's used for, which we know typically in this case for wine, but all kinds of other uses that it has, how it can be recycled, if it can be recycled, and then what we like to create at the studio. So this is one of those things. So grab about 12 corks and let's make a cork heart. We'll need a hot glue gun and then we're ready to go. So a little tip for creating your cork heart is all corks are not created equal. That is to say that some are longer and some are shorter. So when you're picking your corks, it's not so much important with the height of the cork per se, as it is facing your cork in the right direction. So I have 2 wine corks here, and I have got one wine cork that has a smooth end. The opposite end is, it's hard for the camera to focus, is the end where the corkscrew goes in. So we want to focus on laying them out so that we're putting the smooth side of the cork that doesn't have a hole in it facing down when we're laying it out. And you're going to lay it out like this. You'll put 1 cork together, when 2 above that, 3 above that, 4 above that, and then the last 2. And you'll notice that they're centering kind of spaced oddly over, which is just their natural fit together. So like I said, this is all the bottoms of the corks. That's what's touched the wine and made them that red color. And then the back, they're all different heights. I did not trim them to be the same height. You can decide to do that using just a regular kitchen knife to cut them and then laying them out. You may also want to consider positioning your corks directionally so that the images and or words or numbers are facing the direction you want to have them face. I'm going to make a quick one for you now and you'll see what I mean as we go. Okay, I'm going to start with 1 cork for the bottom. I'm using hot glue because that's just a quick way to get it together. And I've got to act fast. So I'm going to put another cork on top of that, and I'm putting it so that the smooth ends are the same. Then I'm going to tip it to the side a little bit and I'll add some hot glue for the corks that touch each other, and then a little hot glue to put that cork on. And I've got the letter G, so I'm going to put that facing up so that it's in the direction I want. Now I have my 3, or 2, and I'm going to add my 3rd, so I'm going to put hot glue here. I put 2 pieces because it won't go in the fold, and then I'm going to rest my cork on the end there, again keeping them all flush, and then I'll put a cork on either side. It's like building blocks. In fact, a lot of times for use at the studio, we kind of think of corks as building blocks. They can be so fun to create all kinds of different things with. Okay, so I've got my corks all together. So I've got 3, and I'm just going to put a little extra hot glue in between the folds there. And then I'm going to put another cork that goes kind of between those 2, like that. This will look like a bunch of grapes. And the bigger you make a heart, then the rounder the top of the heart will be able to, be. With such a small heart, we won't have that option, so we're just going for the more geometric looking heart shape. Okay, so now we just have 2 more on this level, and we're almost done with our heart. It's so fast. And like I said, you're going to need 12 corks to make this smallest heart. You can definitely use many more to make a bigger heart. And you'll just want to lay it out beforehand to make sure. There we go. Now we just have a triangle. And 2 more makes it a heart. So we'll put a little glue over here. for this part of the heart. I wish I knew the name of that part of the heart. And then 2 more bits of glue on this side, and then we have that one. And there we have our cork heart. So easy. You could paint this all a color, red, pink, purple, whatever kind of heart color you wanted. You could also wrap it in yarn or ribbon. We've got some hot glue residue, or leave it plain and corkish. It could be corks that you've been saving for a long time as keepsakes to remember years. It's just a fun project. Make it for friends, keep it. Hope you like this project idea. Fun for everyone to create little shapes and hearts with cork. We'll see you next time for another cork project. Have a great day, and we'll see you soon.